Hi guys, welcome to our channel Adtunez. As we are just about to launch a smart AI tool for managing and getting regular updates for your PPC ad campaigns, I just wanted to come out and talk about some of the features involved in this application. These features will help you create a digital presence that is both enigmatic and conversion oriented. So in this video, I will be talking about how to get started using Adtunes and how to connect your Google Ads account with Adtunes. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe as we will be uploading various videos about tricks to use in this application. And if you have already subscribed to our channel, let us begin with the tutorial. So to start using Adtunes, firstly visit our website adtunes.com. Upon visiting the home page of our website, this is the home page of our website, and upon visiting the home page you will see a blue button labeled try Adtunes for free. This is the button. Click on this button, and so upon clicking the blue button, you will visit this page, and on this page add your personal details like name, email, phone number, password, country, and create your account. So I will add mine. My name is Abhay. This is my Gmail account. This is my phone number. I will create a password for myself, and I will create my country. I will select my country. My country is India, and I will click on create account. So upon clicking on create account, you will see a window like this that asks you to choose the account type suitable for your business need. So select the option that best defines your business needs. You can select agency if you have various people managing multiple number of accounts with various running ad campaigns, or you can select advertisers if you're going to manage your ad campaigns by yourself. So I will select advertisers for example, and later the application will ask you to define your role. So you can select any one option from the provided three: specialist, manager, or executive. Understand that these details will help us analyze who is using our application and for what purpose. Selecting any option will not change the application feature or the user end. If that is clear, I would select this and let us move forward. So after selecting your role, you must choose what your main aim is with Adtunes. So do you want to fix issues and errors in your campaign? Do you want to improve the performance of your ad campaign, or do you just want to monitor budgets and KPIs of your ad campaign? You can select either one or multiple depending upon your requirement, and click on next. Next up, you will be asked to link up your Google Ad account with Adtunes. So click on the blue button displaying connect with Google Ads to select the account that run the ad campaign, and the application should lead you to a page where you will be asked to connect your Gmail account. So I already have mine. So connect your Gmail account, and you will be able to see the ad campaign that your Gmail ID has access to. It should ask for some privacy approval and permission approvals. So continue and give it the approval they ask, and here are the privacy approvals that it asks. I will click on continue, and after selecting the ad account, you will be again redirected. Yeah, it will bring you to here, and you will be able to see the ad account that are running under the Gmail ID. So I will select my Google Ads account under this Gmail account, and I will click on submit. And yeah, after selecting the ad account, you will be again redirected to the account section of our application. Here, let's see. Yeah, this is the account section of our application, and I can see the Google Ad account that is present under my Gmail ID. So here, select the account you want to get insights into the dashboard. If you can see multiple accounts, select one account. If you have just one account like me, select it, and it will go to your dashboard, and you will be able to see your performance metrics here. So yeah, different metrics: cost, impressions, clicks, invalid clicks, interactions, and there are a lot of other features that we will talk about in the upcoming videos. So if this video has been helpful to you, do not forget to like and subscribe. I hope you will share it with people who really need this application. Also, I will be attaching a user manual guide in the description of this video, so check it out if there are any doubts. You can also comment the issues you are facing. I will make sure to reply to all of them. And yeah, thank you again for watching the video. I will see you in the next one, and yeah, goodbye.